So Isaiah Thomas got traded hours before he said he didn't want to get traded. He was happy in Cleveland.
I'm tired of being traded. I just want to be where I want to. I definitely want to be here. We have a real chance to win the NBA championship, and I want to be a part of that.
And then Isaiah Thomas reacted to being traded, and he said it was only 15 games, but still an experience that I'm grateful for. And then he thanked Cleveland for the opportunity, and then he put up another tweet saying the marathon continues. Now obviously if you're Isaiah Thomas, it's messed up. Now Isaiah Thomas has been getting traded since I can remember. He went from the Kings to the Suns to the Celtics and to the Cavs, and now the Lakers. And who knows, I don't know if the Lakers are gonna keep him. So where does he go after the Lakers if they decide to, well, let him go? Because the Lakers, they only chose to get Isaiah Thomas because, well, if they got rid of Jordan Clarkson and Larry Nance Jr., they were gonna clear up some space to sign 2 players to a max contract. So obviously the Lakers, they didn't look at Isaiah Thomas and say, well, he's a great player, we want him. They're only using Isaiah Thomas and Channing Frye. And the only thing that I'm wondering is, well, how is Isaiah Thomas gonna fit? He's ball dominant, meaning that he wants the ball at all times. So can him and Lonzo Ball play on the same team? Maybe Isaiah can be a point guard and maybe Lonzo a shooting guard. And also Isaiah Thomas might actually damage the Lakers because, well, on the Cavs, well, he was just pulling up whenever he wanted. He held the ball for way too long. The ball wasn't moving. Right now he can't really shoot. And also Isaiah Thomas' agent, he acknowledged that Isaiah Thomas is ball dominant. He said he's worked too hard to get back and he's a ball dominant player. It's LeBron's ball and this clearly wasn't working. So right there he's saying, well, in Cleveland, him and LeBron didn't get along because he's ball dominant. But then again, Kyrie Irving was ball dominant. Problem was Isaiah Thomas, he just wasn't fitting in. Like I said before, he was taking bad shots, pulling up whenever he wanted. He wasn't passing the ball. He was slowing the game down. But his agent said him getting traded to the Lakers is a good opportunity for Isaiah. Now what I'm thinking is Isaiah Thomas needs to get benched. Lonzo Ball, he starts. Because we know Isaiah, all he wants to do is score. So if he comes off the bench and he just scores and scores and scores, then that's good for the Lakers. But if he's the one running the plays, I don't think that's good. I don't think him and Lonzo Ball can get along starting on the same team. It just won't work. Lonzo Ball, we know his shot doesn't work. And right now Isaiah Thomas, well, he can't shoot. He can't make any shots. But you guys so much you think in the comment section, and I'm out.